Hi folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Got a question for you. How many of you have kids? How many of you do crafts? How many of you do minor woodworking projects? How many of you break stuff and need to glue it back together? Let's go over this Ryobi compact glue gun, new on the market. Right now it's $19.97. Normal price, I believe, is around $25. Let me rearrange the camera. Let's go over this together. Thanks for watching. Here we go. Here's the Ryobi One Plus 18 volt compact glue gun. Now this is very interesting looking to me. I had 3 other glue guns previously before this one. One of them is a Dremel style, and I will never get out of the way. I love that one. But I had 3 other ones that I'm getting rid of. I want to donate them to people that might be able to use them. Anyway, here we go. We have a 3-year limited warranty. Let's see here. 3 mini glue sticks. Over 100 mini glue sticks per battery charge. And I'm sure that depends on which amp battery you're going to be using. Okay, part number 1005-559-357 and P306. Okay, on the back, compact glue gun number P306. Precision tip, ideal for hobby, crafts, upholstery, and general repair projects. Cordless compact design for detailed applications and user convenience. Built-in drip tray for a clean working environment. On-off LED indicator light shows the tool is heating up. Okay, 18 volt, tool weight 0.71 pounds. And here is the number if you just need that for any reason. So, bought this at Home Depot. So let me get my Husky razor knife right here and crack this thing open. Let's see. Down this way. Let's cut down this way right here. Now I have high expectations for this thing, so I don't plan on taking it back. I got a few projects in mind I can use this for. And I'm sure I can find hundreds of more projects. Now, worst case scenario, I'll leave this in the craft room for when my granddaughter comes over. She'll have a glue gun all to herself. There we go. Let's take that out. Take that out. Here's the owner's manual on bottom, and 3 glue sticks, and I like how they're stuck together. There we go. Throw that aside. Okay, here's the base on and off right here. Here's a drip tray. This is not hybrid, battery only. P306 glue gun. Right here on the bottom if you need to check that out for any reason. Whoops, there we go. Anyway, I have this battery right here. This is a 4 amp battery, and it is completely charged up. I'm going to turn it off. Okay, the glue gun itself is a small compact design, not uncomfortable at all. For me, I don't have large hands, but they're not little hands either. So I can easily put, just like holding a pistol, but my trigger finger's right here, my second finger's on the trigger on the glue gun. My other 2 fingers are surrounding the handle. Okay, here's the tip right here. And here's the battery connection, or the charger connection. So this will fit easily on here, just like that. And to get it started, I'm just going to put the glue stick in here and slowly pull the trigger till it will not pull anymore. Okay, don't force it, don't jam it, just let it do its thing. I want to put it in here. I'm going to get my phone here. I'm going to open up my clock and see how long it takes this thing to heat up to spec so it melts the glue. So let me go here to clock. Okay. Stopwatch. See it right there? Okay. On start. There we go. So I'm going to put this in fast motion until this heats up. Shouldn't take very long. So we'll be right back with you. Okay, 1 minute. Squeeze the trigger. It is melting, not quite close enough yet, but let's keep this thing going. Okay, let's take this out at 1 minute and 30 seconds. Here we go. Still a little bit thick. Just put that down there on the charging station again. Okay, 2 minutes. Let's check it again at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now, I kind of like this thing so far. I like the color. I like how it fits in my hand. It has a rubber grip on the handle. Nice, lightweight, compact design. I think kids are going to love this thing. And with being battery operated, no cord is needed. No cord's going to get in your way. So, here we go here. Let's try this 2 minutes and 30 seconds. There we go. Okay, and here we go. Let's get this going right here. That is plenty enough to glue 2 things together. So that was 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and it is not on the charge right now, so it's not heating up anymore. So all I have to do is leave it off or turn the switch off. Ryobi Glue Gun. Nice, compact, lightweight, cool color. Got the nice trigger right here. Small hands can put 2 fingers on it. Let's see here. Still coming out strong. Now, it only comes with 3 glue sticks, so I would suggest you picking up a few more. These are the mini size. Available at most craft stores. I'm sure Home Depot is going to carry these. Well, I'm not going to say assume, but I'm going to say Home Depot is going to carry these, because without these, this is worthless, right? This is just a quick review. Maybe you want to get this for a Christmas gift for your grandkids, but make sure you get a battery with it. It's worthless without the battery. Under $20 right now. I'm sure it's going to go on sale again soon. Let me turn that off. I like it. I think this is going to be ideal for me, and the compact size, and it's got the drip tray. Easily mount. It's not going to fall over. No cords. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this thing. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate watching.